Hello everybody, as you may know from my YouTube channel, I am a owner of 2011 Honda CBR 125R and I have Akrapovič exhaust installed, and today I'm going to show you how it sounds with and without the muffler. I'm going to do it outside because here in garage it's just too noisy and mic can't pick anything. Enjoy! This is going to be a cold start, and first with muffler in. Now I'm going to put the muffler off, and as you can see I'm in jacket because it's quite cold here. This is the muffler, and now let's hear it without the muffler.